Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, I've been saying for a while that the yield again does still look like it possibly could go up. It still looks like a possible wave one, wave two. Now, the problem with the yen yen is it's actually one of the only yen pairs that actually looks like it does want to actually continue the uptrend, making a 3, 4, 5. It still seems pretty likely to me that it is going to do that. But the problem is all the other yen pairs don't really look like that. They all look like they're going down, except for the Swiss yen and the euro yen, which tells me that that may just be caused by the euro. If this pattern is only caused by the euro, then it may actually just keep on going down because the yen is definitely going down on all the other yen pairs. Well, the yen is going up, causing all the other yen pairs to go down. So I still think this looks like a possible five waves of A. I still think there's a good chance it could make a corrective wave B and then make a wave C and then continue the uptrend. But I would have to see a pretty nice looking ABC correction like this in order to go long, because there's also a chance that it's going to follow along with the other yen pairs and just keep on going down. So if you are trading the very short time phase, I would recommend shorts. If you're more of a swing trader, then if you do see this ABC pullback, then you could definitely try to go long. Just be a little bit careful because, like I said, all the other yen pairs look like they're in a downtrend. If all the other yen pairs are in a downtrend and this is only caused by the euro, then this possibly will end up continuing the downtrend also. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.